bit of the forward.
There's definitely some portions where you're getting to the point where you're coming in too fast now. So it's like those hairpins.
Yep.
And even that last long left, that left-hander, how straight you were able to come out of that long one, and it got you out really quickly. I think if you did that during your run, you'd go faster.
Yep.
Hey, nice work.
Yeah, cheers, man.
That was good.
Thank you. Yeah, that was great. Off to the line.
So much faster, though.
Oh, that definitely did.
Get over to the right. Sweet.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Good run.
Yeah.
Alrighty, you all good?
Yep. Time for a bit of fun. You had a lot of grip there, right?
Yeah.
Once you know what you're actually doing with the car.
Hey, it's Nick Warburton here, the owner of Supa Karts Next Level Karting in Christchurch. And what an amazing day, it was so good. We just basically we were rally drivers for a day, and they catered for the whole thing was organised. It was so much fun, I learnt so much. I didn't know there was so much to learn. Highly recommend doing something with them if you get the chance, if you want to do a promotion for your customers or a promotion with your staff. Yeah, it was a brilliant day out, and well worth the money. Thank you, Cream at Jigs, and thank you, Jared Parker.